We're live. What can I say? Again, I don't know why event sub is not displaying. I wonder if it's here. Wait, why did I actually open it from my second account? 52%. You're coming close. You've passed the half. Let's do some test redeem. It's not working. At least my badges work. And what? Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, badges work. Event sub does not. Let's quickly fix it. Let's quickly fix it. Or at least hope it's gonna be quick. Okay, come on over. Okay, so this is as bot. Then this is as a broadcaster. And this we ignore. No, we don't. Okay, fine, we don't ignore it. Come back. So the broadcaster again. No, what? His system is broken completely. But I guess no way can do anything about it. As a broadcaster, again, sure, get your authentication. Where is event sub? My event sub is broken, which goes all close to Lazarus, but I guess sure. Twitch fix event sub. Should be working. Oh, event sub debug. So I did it here. I thought I fixed it. Okay. Now it should be fine. Let's log in, I guess. Let's redo authentication. Restart. And yes, this is a lot of subscriptions. Log in as bot. Okay. Open in new container tab, personal. Authorize here, and one more for some reason. Okay, yes. No. Okay, try again. Okay, now it works finally. Subscription gift, invalid subscription type and version. Oh wait, gift is second, notification is second maybe? Unknown validation. Field validation for user ID. What? Okay, hold on. Another event substream. Nice. Gift 1. channel subscription gift, right? What? Isn't it literally this? No, I mistyped it somewhere. Oh, it's subscription with P. Okay. But what's up with the notification? Unknown validation? What? I guess I'm sending the broadcast ID, and yeah, I need a normal user ID. A normal user ID. Now it should work perfectly, right? As bot, and yeah, I have logs to tell. In case, so I can gather information about all those events. If someone subscribes, debugging this is hard, and yeah, this is broken, obviously. Obviously, it doesn't want to use the bot's account. I guess there's no way to fix this. And yeah, event sub works. Logs probably also do. I've tested them before. And yeah, we have this thing, which is a Twitch server. Here it's running. So I can debug event sub locally. But that's not a stream about event sub. Or at least it was not meant to be about event sub. LLVM. That's interesting. But we're using CraneLift, which I don't even know if it has a logo, actually. Bytecode Aliens. I mean, this is a logo for CraneLift. More for a bytecode alias. Or aliens. Sorry. Don't know. Anyway, starting off with that, and of course, it's probably gonna get changed to VS Code soon. Set away. Recent. Huh? I thought it would open in a separate window. I guess no. And also this should go here. Come on, reorder. Legs. Okay, now we should. Okay, so now to the stream. To the scene. So yeah, this is a big roadmap step. Move spans to front end. I'm still not sure about this. So we're making a branch. Kraken, hey. Okay, here it is. Here it goes. Okay. Let's create a branch. Create branch here. So this is gonna be front end spans. So all spans are gonna be moved to metadata. That's basically it. Welcome in Devninia. Am I switching to VS Code now? I guess so. Or you don't have enough points. At least they can enjoy that for like 2 seconds. Yeah, as you can see, we've got subscriber badges now. Huh, why is it not here? Oh, okay, let me. I mean, I've got a subscriber badge which was displaying here. Look. Hey. Oh, legs. And yeah, also you got a sub animation which doesn't really work. Probably, but why is it not caching me then? Okay, let me invalidate the caches. Pages, ooh, they're all SRSs. Okay, should probably also cache it like that. Okay, I'll just destroy the whole cache and hope it's gonna work. Let's also restart, because why not? Okay. Now it should be it. Oh, event subs don't work. It wants me to log in again. Why? Like, I actually don't understand. Hold on. Why is it actually not appearing? Or does caching actually take so long? Okay, event subs failed, but why chat IRC doesn't work? I mean, it can be done with event subs, but I don't think it is done with event subs. Okay, now. Okay, here I am with a tier 3 1 month page, and here you are with a tier 1 1 month page. Nice. Yeah, tiers are parentheses around. Can actually show. Where's it? Monetization, subscriptions, pages. Here. Now, here is how it works. So we have a few pages up to 1 year, which is a semicolon, a golden semicolon. And here we have tier 2, which is, it was meant to be silver but looks like aluminum. And tier 3, which is gold. Brackets. But yeah, also while I was looking for this, first of all, you should probably actually no, this is boring. Don't have much subscriber benefits. Subscription names, I should probably change those, but I don't know. And if we go into bits, tier badge. Okay, so this is the scary part. There are 29 of them, and each one is customizable. I mean, no way someone's gonna do 5 million bits, but I should probably get at least like 100, 1k. And I'm so lazy to draw all of this. Like, I need to draw them and then export in 3 different sizes. You can't even imagine how long subscription pages took me. And then also a subscription animation, which is bad. And also hype train, I should probably add an emote for it specifically, because I don't know, default emotes are boring. Image magic for the conversion. I mean, I can just export from Aseprite, but still it takes time. It doesn't multiply the time by 3, but it takes time. Anyway, I guess don't even know where to start. Go to expression. I guess I need to start where spans are. New search. Span. That means there are spans are everywhere. Less than 1 second for a modern computer. Yeah, but it takes time for me to press the button, to rename it, to select the magnification. I mean, I could actually write a script and it would be very quick with image magic. But still, like, I need to draw each and every of them, and I don't have nearly enough imagination for this. That's like one of the problems. And do you really think that I have a modern computer? Okay, so function. Yeah, I guess let's just go through expressions and then search for rest. No. Anyway, or do we? Okay, let's look for IR first. So we have a mode, which is just symbols. Okay. Then a symbol has a name, a value. Test. What are you testing? By the way, since you're sub, now you have access to a subscriber only emotes, which is there's one, because I don't want emotes to be subscriber only. 4 seconds of lag. I mean, 4 seconds of latency is quite a bit actually. And I don't know. Like, feels like Nigel has less latency than you do. It actually feels like this. To Twitch servers and on top 4 seconds. Okay, so 6 seconds in total to display a message. I mean, like it really feels like you have more latency than everyone else. Just by responses. Anyway, so we have symbol, which is just as before, no spans here. My computer is not it's not lagging. Somebody said this. It's not lagging. No rendering lag, no encoding lag, no network lag. It's not lagging. It's just your latency is big. Welcome in, Jax. Welcome in. Frames missed due to rendering lag. 0. 0 frames missed. Like before I was booting up stuff, it was missing frames. Okay, so symbol is nothing. It was not high. 1% is not high. And that's just because we had 3 FPS for a few seconds. Okay, types here. Thank you for a resub or a refollow. I mean, doesn't really matter. It adds up to the 4 seconds. No, it doesn't. This is just frames missed. It does not increase the latency. So let's check. I mean, overlay lags, obviously. But it does not get worse. Look. 1 frame. I mean, this is just 1 frame of rendering lag. They're colliding, everything is fine. Just threw them in a pile over here. Okay, how do we spend? Okay, I'm not sure about spans here. See the other way around. What do you mean? 1/30 of LX for spawning 3+. Come on, it's just 1 frame skipped. It's just analytics. Like, it skipped once. It does not adapt to latency. Latency is different. Why is it easy there? Twitch latency. Yeah, how do I check it? Big game. It's big games. Probably. which I think now we have more than one game. Yeah. My stats, okay, fine. Look, every stream. You want me? Why are you adding a number after this? Okay, here, what is it actually? Average viewer. Average viewers, this is actually interesting. It does not decrease, which is, I'm surprised. Revenue, 92 cents. We actually go to earnings. I guess that's what you want to see. What? Hold on, what? Did this thing update? It was different before. Oh, ad revenue gets updated like after 2 days and other stuff after 1 day. And here's your sub, your gifted sub. Okay, so we've got ads here and turbo. And here's your sub. Okay, big games, Minecraft. A great game. If only Vox Legend had an icon. I mean, it actually has one, but it's just so bad. Twitch cuts out 50%, exactly 50%. But it's different for beats. For some reason, Twitch cuts out depending on the country. At least it's not lagging as hard as before. It was not lagging. What do you mean? So yeah, if you want to know more about Twitch, read Twitch, whatever docs, help Twitch TV. My overlay, it does not, like, I mean, it just lags when you spawn a plushie because it loads it dynamically. And I should probably do resources like my overlay does. But I mean, for plushes it doesn't lag. I wonder how much. I mean, it depends on how much they collide actually. Okay, now it starts to lag, I think. Go to OBS. 1 frame dropped as before. And we still have a lot of plushes. Oops. They're all colliding and stuff. I mean, not all of them. They're all are colliding. Yeah, 50% is high, but Twitch has to leave. And this latency is just, I mean, if I look here, you can just do plushie to get a random one. If I look here, it's fine. Like, that's obvious OBS stuff. My cursor, it actually looks worse. But this thing is almost instant. Okay, so spend. How do we get rid of those spends without losing information? Disable the preview. Excuse me, how am I gonna preview my streams? I mean, can I set FPS for a preview? For like 1 FPS? You don't, I do. I need a preview. With that old hardware. It's like what? Ryzen 5 and Radeon Vega. That break is coming. Use my smartphone. I can't. I can't look at the preview on my smartphone. There's no app for Twitch that's designed to show me the preview, not show me the viewer count, show me all the redeems and chat in the one place. And that's just, Streamer Buddy does most of those things, but not all of them. So I guess I will at some point make a Twitch app. Anyway, I guess we're just gonna cut out some spans here. No, Twitch app shows me the viewer count. It's slow, it's laggy, it's buggy, and it doesn't show me redeems inside of chat. Like, it's just annoying to use. upgrade my hardware. You think it's that easy? Like, not only from money side, it's running Android 2.0. What? My phone is running Android like what? I don't even know. 12? 10? I had a phone that was on Android 4.4.4 and this was my best phone. I liked it much more than everything else. Okay, here. Do we add metadata to types? That's a great question. That's a great question. IIRC Android is at version 14.15. Yes. But in like Android 12, they added so much annoying things. Places I want to visit? No idea. Like actually no idea. Depends on visit for what. Like just to see them or to spend some time there, hanging out, or to work there. You know. Yeah, kind of true. I do need to visit a computer store, but no. Visiting a computer store, that's not how you buy a computer. You go online and search for people who are selling their used computers. To enjoy my life? You mean like for how long? I would like to visit. It depends on how long and how far and when. Like I would actually like to visit probably some cities in Belarus again, but differently, just like a vacation. Uh, but I mean, like it's fun when there's a like 40 minutes. AFK for 40 minutes, need to go to supermarket. Why did I add alert command? I guess. So yeah, I would like to visit some cities of Belarus again, just for fun. Excluding my country, Russia. I would like to go to Poland again. Yeah, I was there once. Uh, what else? Where there is a lake, I would like to go to Bulgaria again. Actually, I was here once, but this was like what, 7 years ago. Oh wow, this was actually a long time ago. I would like to visit LA just to see how it is. Uh, but it takes like forever to fly there, and it costs a lot and stuff. Uh, I don't like the problem is I don't know much countries. I've never been to New Zealand. I don't know what is there and why is it like, and why should I visit it? I don't even know what the season where it is, because I mean when we had geography lessons, I was on Olympiad and skipped all of them completely. Like about countries and stuff, which is kind of sad because I liked maps. What is it? Ooh, where is it? Natural scenes. Ooh, I'll probably not get here. This is like what? This is the furthest point out away from us about it. It's like 2 days of flight or so. Maybe even more. That's a lot. But I mean, it's so small. Like maybe I would like to see the coast of an ocean. Okay, what is here so interesting? Also Norvegia, or how do you say it in English? Uh, is an interesting country to visit. But I mean, like those looks just I don't know. I can't tell anything. Look for Germany. Okay, okay. Yeah, mountains. I actually never been to mountains close. I don't think so. Germany. Maps, maps. Streets. We actually have a street that looks kinda like this. Yeah, in Minsk we have a lot of interesting stuff, but not this. um, I mean, like, what can I tell from looking at the country, at the photos? I mean, this looks cool. Winter, winter exists. Yeah. Anyway, anyway, look for Kashmir. Okay. It's just geography stream now. What is it? Where is it? Maps. Oh. Ooh. I mean, I guess expected. To be expected. Okay, give me the photos, images. Code more mountains. Doesn't look that dense. Are there actually like dense cities in this city? A lot of winter pictures or just snowy pictures. I mean, I've never been to places like this. It just depends on how I will visit it. Function pointer. Okay, we've stripped out some spans from types. Is there a span? There is a span in custom. Can we do a string? A regular string? Don't even know. We probably need a string interner. I mean, I can do span here. There's actually one place where I can do span because it's a span of the source code. Okay, now we can. Oops. Oops. Remove unnecessary brace. Okay. Now this is not gonna compile, and because frontend, obviously. Oh, and a lot of other stuff. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, front. Oh, wait, it's not frontend. Okay, get rid of spans here. I don't actually know if I should get rid of spans here exactly, like in the types. Make which okay, where is it first of all? Give us close views. Closed. Opens 7:30 a.m. Tuesday. Okay. Where is it? Ooh. Okay. Get out. Geography stream. Yeah, actually, I would like to see this in person, probably. Yeah. I mean, just walking can be interesting. Like if you don't know where, like if you're visiting something for the first time, and I mean not like alone with a small team or a family, this can be very fun. If you're just going somewhere, you don't even know where, you're like exploring stuff, and bridges like this. This actually looks like how. Like okay, I understand the. No, I don't understand how it can be done. Like roots can't be that long to form a bridge. Anyway, am I gonna do anything today apart from a geography lesson? Um, no. Oh, what? No. It's 100% natural. I mean, the bridge itself can't be just natural. The bridge should be constructed, right? Wait, what? Okay, no. Inner. Like bridge. The bridge looks like it looks like a bridge. It doesn't look like something that people can just. I mean, not people. Nature can just do. It has a shape. Inner. A lot of inner stuff. You can just do it. Return without inners. Same thing here. Pick the type phone box type. Okay, gives clone this. What? Okay, dref. How can I deref it? It's gonna panic. I mean, not panic, it's gonna move out. It's not possible, I have to clone it, right? Here I'm literally cloning it. Oh, I can't do this here. Okay, as ref clone. As ref clone. Okay. Inner. Okay. Here. Signature span. Okay, here's where we cut out the spans. And we'll need to start re-adding them back inside of front-end side. It's a geography class. Literally changing the stream. I mean, actually, at some point, like 2 years ago or so, I was dreaming about just going out with a camera and streaming and streaming how I go somewhere. I don't know. I don't even know where. Apparently, there are people who are doing this. I don't remember. I don't remember any actually. But I mean, I saw a video recently about this. So, yeah. Argument type mismatch, same thing. Go away.
Okay, let's go.
Where do we go now? uh, okay, now the front end. I mean, like, I actually don't know about the types for, the spans for the front end. Like, I mean, for the types. Return type else IR type unit. Parser. Parser up span args. Nope. Don't just ignore this. And here I do inner. Inner. I mean, I actually don't know. Like, how can I mean, in types don't hold metadata, so they can't really hold spans. And we've removed, oh my gosh, we've removed spans from the function pointer type. So if we go to expression, I guess, expression model is expression parser. Here. Where we create a function call here. We would provide metadata. Okay, so we would provide metadata here for the call and reasons. I mean, how can I get like the source locations? Any community challenge? What? Probably. Oh, welcome in, Nigel. Welcome in. Hopefully, I have enough of one sound. You want me to add more? Oh, surprise, surprise! We're still using Z, and the Ninja left for the supermarket. Okay. So I actually don't know. How do we keep spans? Like types don't store metadata, so we can't store spans in them. Oh, come on. I don't even remember what this is. I mean, you've asked me once again to add the sound. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. You have enough sounds. Steam's not frozen, don't worry. I'm just here to check some stuff off. I mean, this doesn't fit to the stream. I don't think so, at least. Anyway, call expression. Like, we can't. Do really need it. I mean, it actually doesn't fit to me. Okay, we have metadata for this. We actually try doing something with it. We have an error. Yeah, let's actually try doing this. Call metadata. new. Just call metadata for now. Like that. Let's create abstract call metadata. This is like the IR. Declare it here. I kind of don't like that this final function holds a lot of stuff. Should probably split the parser up a little, so there will be expression. Add. How do I add? Wait, percentage sign. Someone thought it would be cool to make add a file percentage sign or create a file percentage sign. No idea why. Why this shortcut? I mean, I can remind it, but too lazy. Anyway, so function, I guess. I'm gonna move the signature out into the function. Paste this here. Use super asterisk. Public mode function. How did I do this? Excuse me. What did I press? There's 4 parts of a function. Okay, now. Match fn. Expect external name and parse signature. Wait, what? Wait, why is it here? I've cut it out, excuse me? I literally cut it out and put it here. How? Key function parse signature here. Else fn function parse signature. If whatever this is a symbol. Let me just mute something. Go. Notifications. How do I mute channel mobile in Discord? More options. Mute the server. Settings, no. Notifications.
Okay, let's go.
Notifications. Mute for 8 hours. Okay, now they won't bother me, hopefully. Call metadata. What is wrong? Oh, I need to declare. Wait. Why was the hash map's randomness causing RNG? Yeah. So look, let me just do input quickly. Metadata qualified as com where expression call for call meta. Get out. Still don't know why it doesn't disappear. I don't know. I guess delete message is not sent. For call metadata. Yeah. Now, so there is a place in my code. If we go to a file, in file mod rs, in the IR here. So here is the module, the root thing of the Like right now it's just the root. It contains symbols, which is a hash map. And how I'm doing it is I'm parsing this thing, parsing stuff into this thing, and then I'm iterating over it and evaluate each symbol. And here is the iteration order is random. Now the thing is, if we open like calculator, for example, the thing is, first we can evaluate this, evaluate that, it doesn't depend on anything. Then we decide to evaluate main. While evaluating main, how it goes is we evaluate the thing, so now the main contains the function. To malware development. I don't think there is one. I mean, actually, I don't want to get that much viewers. And probably even some unwanted viewers. Anyway, so imagine we evaluate this function first. So it evaluates, basically this is just a function creation expression, or a function literal, how I like to call it sometimes. And okay, it's evaluated. After that, after we evaluate it, we if it's a function specifically, we infer its types inside. So in the function itself, then function gets inferred, and what it does, if it encounters something like this, so a reference to another symbol, it lazily evaluates it out of order. So it evaluates getInt out of main. And sometimes this breaks because type inference is a shared object. Like type inference is, I have a single type inference for the whole evaluation, and this function has its own scope, and when I evaluate this thing out of this function, the scope is persisted, and I needed to fix it. I don't actually know, I don't actually remember why it was crashing before. It was not because of scopes, but for some other reason, I don't remember why. Just, I think I had, oh yeah, recursive recursion I've messed up recursion thing. So like to prevent recursive evaluation, like in case we have something like comp time x equals x plus 1, so this should be banned because it's recursion, and I think I fixed it. I think I've checked it. It should be fine now. So I did this check invalidly, and so this was counting as the first time I logged this symbol, and then inside, like somehow something like that. Oh no, it was with fastpoll. So yeah, fastpoll. Here I log the symbol, and then in fastpoll I call it again, and this was counting as recursion, even though it should not have been counting as recursion. Like it's hard to explain because recursion in this case requires the symbol to be evaluated. Like it's like if we are checking the inside of a function, that means this function is already evaluated, and I messed up this check. This is what was wrong. It's hard to explain, hard to understand, but yeah, ad breaks coming. I actually should probably look up. I wanna know if there's a way to customize. Sort of got it. Twitch AP page. I wonder if I can do this. No, VP pages or channel pages that don't allow for customization. That's sad. But yeah, as you can probably see, I've customized a subscriber page, and there's like 29. There's 29 pages for beats, for cheers. I am not doing them all. Me months later. Okay, all cheers are done. What's next? Might actually happen. But as you can see, I'm not the best pixel artist. You will totally be able to tell if you watch the subscribe animation. That's why I don't want to show it. ensure evaluated. Okay, so yeah, this is the function. It has, like, I'm doing rwlog stuff, and this is
Okay,
really,
let's go.
this is not really how you should check for recursion, but that's how I do it, I guess. And I see this stopped, guys. Are you sure it's gonna work? It's gonna get finished in time by itself? 24 days left. Why am I seeing VS Code here? Oh, I know what this is. Yeah, it's 3. I was like, VS Code text here in the middle. Something. Okay, what's wrong? Trade bound is not satisfied. Dynamic clone. Oh, yeah, I need to do stuff. Okay, let me do call. Here, how am I doing implementation? Declare metadata. It's all under the, it's all on the one macro. Impl name for. Huh. Look at goal again. Okay, I see. 5K, what? When did you get 5K channel points? Okay, 59%. Oh, we've missed 42. Now let's wait for 69. Section 59, yeah. Where did you get 5K channel points? I mean, this is what? 5K. Over what? 260. This is 19 hours. What? Are you sure you spent 1K? Yeah, Jackson broke. So yeah, 5K channel points is 19 hours. No, this shouldn't be right. No, it is 19 hours. Okay, let's do, like, how? Let's subtract the rates and watch streak of 450. Let's just do the best case scenario. So this is per 2 streams. So if we 3 streams, if I did 3 streams, this is still a lot. But yeah, I guess you're what is it in English? 1.4K. I guess you got multiplied by 5. Like, actually, how is it? I don't even know. How did this happen? Okay, import trait object, clone trait object, trait name. Ha. Dynamic clone is not satisfied. Maybe because VIP, probably no. Like, I mean, if so, then it's kind of cool, but no, Twitch VIP does not give this sort of stuff. Roles. So let's actually look at roles, which there is an artist role. By the way, Nigel, do you want an artist role? Since you kinda did some plushes here. You're kind of an artist now. 5,000 over 20,000. Why am I so bad at this? It's 1/4, 25%. Yeah, why does it say 5,000? It got increased by 8%. Or wait, 7%. That's just wrong. VIP is just to confuse the streamer. Messes up notifications and messages. Okay, let's actually read this. There are roles. Editor, which is basically a second broadcaster. Channel help creators manage their content and stuff. A moderator help manage creators chat to help ensure that it stays safe. What is it? A song? Some words from a song? Okay, timeout ban stuff like that. Moderators. VIP. Drake song, what? Does KDE also have songs like GNU does? Like GNU has GDB song, for example, and stuff like that. VIPs are valuable members of a creators community who are recognized with a special badge. VIPs can perform following actions: chat without being affected by slow, sub-only, or follower-only modes. Chat without being affected by rate limits, and post links in chat even when links are disabled. So basically bypass mod restrictions. But I mean, that's kind of boring. I feel like they should give like 1.22 channel points or something. But I mean, at the same time, basically a sub. No, you're not. If you were a sub, you would get emotes, you would get no ads. But here, in sub-only mode, you can chat. Artists. Artists are members of creators community who are recognized as their contributors to the brand style of creators channel, such as emotes, overlays, avatars, and more. There are 5 artist badges available for each channel. Yeah, but those are all follower modes. You can't get access to the sub modes. There's one single sub mode because it's animated, and there are no follower animated emotes. Yeah, how to manage roles and stuff. Fortunately, only DevNinja can do hello. Like actually, the ability of VIPs to access emotes like tier 1 sub emotes would be nice. But at the same time, like VIP probably was not meant to be uh, something like it was meant to be just to recognize someone. What's the error? The trade bound something dynamic clone is not satisfied. Why is it not satisfying? They're not satisfied. Impl Oracle dynamic. Oh wait, I don't have the straight export. I mean, like, how? Why? Oh wait. Oh, I know. Hold on. It's gonna be implemented if I derive clone, right? Derive clone. Now it should be fine, right? No. What's wrong? Yes, oh wait. Hold on. This should go here. Now it should be fine, right? Yeah, now it's fine. Missing documentations for struct. Custom, not custom. Function call meta data. Okay, now actually let's implement the default members, which we have 2 warnings. I mean, 2 what is it called? 2 of diagnostics. What did they press to open settings? Control comma? Not input qualified. Okay, now. I should be able to port immediate report into as report commit Fix. Oh wait. Fix poll up. What's it? I don't even know what you want from me. Context with source code wrapper. Oh, we can't add a label. This is what I was afraid of. The fact that I can't add a label. You want a joke? Okay, fine. I don't understand the joke, by the way. But I guess it's a joke. If we scroll up a little bit. Oh wow, Devnia chatted hello. A boy dug 3 holes in the yard. When his mother saw, she exclaimed, well, well, well. I don't understand this. Really. But I guess it's a joke. Should be fine if it's by Seribot. Am I missing one? Okay, I don't. Okay, so we can't add labels, which is sad. I wish I could like extend diagnostics. Doc equals R space. Okay, we can remove this. Okay, so this is a very unreliable, I guess. Yeah, that's it. That is this conversion is the implementation of code from what? Oh, it's just into. Okay, so what do we do with it? No, I don't. Why would I have it? Why would I work with crypto? And I mean, this is actually probably the only way to get money to my country, but no. I'm not into crypto and will probably never be. Or not soon at least. Not any soon. Okay, so let's simulate the simulate the error. A simple. Let's function argument count mismatch. Here you go. Here's your function argument count mismatch. Now we've got argument count mismatch function that expects 1 argument, but 2 were given. I wish there was a reference to the function source. So what I can probably do is implement a method on metadata that's gonna return span. Life is becoming boring. What do you mean? Have you burnt out, Jax? When I burn out, it's terrible. I don't have much ways to recover. I mean, it's not that bad normally. I guess I don't burn out much, or at least as much as you do. I guess. By much I mean how far. Okay, so ideally we would print the span. Yeah, I guess you burnt out. Where can you find happiness? I don't know. Go outside. Talk to some friends. What else can I suggest? I can't suggest much. Even though, like, because I'm going to Olympiads every year, we get some consultations with psychologists. We know how to deal with stress. Your friends are at work. Oh, Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, we know how to deal with stress and stuff like that, but I just can't recommend anything. I guess if I would be a psychologist, I would be a terrible one. You can try composing, like actually composing. Get LMMS, which I, by the way, here it is. I've got LMMS installed, and try composing. I mean, you did some. You actually did some songs. Why am I writing something in here? Uh, okay, so I need a metadata or just freelance works in here. Yeah, freelance can be hard and annoying. Yeah, I don't know what can I do here. I mean, types. Yeah, I really need the expense inside of types here. Don't even know how to solve this. Like, I mean, I can go to type, add an optional field, but that's just so annoying. But that's the only thing I transmit here. Okay, let's skip this one for now, which is kind of a bad idea. And let's go through, go down and delete this thing. Wait. Here. Let's actually go through the expressions here. They contain a lot of spans, which we want to get rid of. I mean, move into the metadata. Okay, span of the function. Do I really need it? Like, actually, do I need the span here? Oops. Uh, okay, I guess I don't really need it. I mean, here it's gonna yell at me for. Wait, I actually do. Oh, span of the expression. Oh no, that's terrible. Yeah, this huge function which is used everywhere. I don't even know how to get rid of it. If there is a way to get rid of it. Like, I can make it optional. I can make the spans optional just. But that's kind of annoying. Uh, I don't know. Like, having those spans optional everywhere. Originally the idea of the PR, I mean PR, the idea of this refactor was to move the spans into metadata. But I mean, it's also interconnected. And maybe I should just have them optional here. I don't know what to do now. Let's look at other expressions. I mean, all those expressions somehow store the span of the expression itself. And this function is used like everywhere. References GA. Oh, there's, wait, what? Directly in the multi-buffer. Okay, if I comment this function out, it's gonna give me all the references. There are a lot, and I just know this. Why can't? Why am I using random shortcuts? Not the right ones. Yeah, as you can see, there are a lot. Not as much actually. So here we do something. Well, actually, we can probably move most of it into metadata. Oh, scan. What? Oh, what? When did they? Excuse me. When did they rename this? Uh, G Shift A. Wait. Yeah, right. No, there are a lot of references. Not as much as I would expect to, actually. But yeah, I guess so we should start moving them out. Okay, let's do it into passes. First we actually, okay, let me actually just remove this function. It does not guarantee the span now of the expression, which is kind of bad. Like what block doesn't even have its spans of its expressions. Don't know what to do. Like if we actually look at the block, we have expressions here. How do I determine the span of part of them? Okay, be right back. Okay, at least I moved a little. So what can we do about it? Like here, the block has a warning for unreachable code. This is not possible without spans. Not really possible without spans. I mean, theoretically, I could store all of them in the metadata. But isn't this annoying? I can make spans mutable. Or I can try to. Do I actually store the metadata? Uh, I don't know how to deal with spans. It's like actual problem. And I have no idea how to figure it out on stream. Normally that's when my streams get very terrible. I'm gonna memorize this URL soon. Come on. Careful not to accidentally ban you. Because I tapped on the wrong thing. Oh wait, that's actually another URL. Come on. It just shows a pop-up for me to ban you. Accidentally. So in case I accidentally ban you, just whisper, I guess.
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that? What's that, brother?
I don't know how this is a meme, but yeah. Same thing I can say about this design flaw. But I mean, when I get to the to design flaws like this, I just can't stream this. I can't. Like normally how I resolve them is I go do my stuff, do whatever I do. Don't know. And I think about it a lot, and everything is just in my mind. I can't even talk. I can't even say the thought process how I resolve errors like this. So I guess this stream is a short one. How long was it? 1 hour and 26 minutes. I mean, I can't end right now. Not enough work done. What do we have here? Yeah, passes operator, pretty simple. Comp type hints, should probably go here. Patreon, we have a command for it. I don't think I have a command for it. I mean, you can do socials, and here is a link to my website, which I have written static site generator just for this. Oh, I need to fix this link. Oh my gosh, this number. The link is broken. Hold on, because I've changed it. How could I forget that I changed it? Hold on, let me fix it. Config. Where is it? Yeah, it's just socials now. Here. Now this will work, right? Socials. Here. Nothing. I can literally show you. So yeah, if you go to socials, here's Patreon, which, oh yeah, I can't just open it without a VPN. I don't actually know why. But yeah, it exists. And that's all. I don't even know why why this is. But there's like nothing, and probably will not be anything, because I can't even look. I can't even open it properly without a VPN. That's why a lot of creators moved to Boosty, which works in Russia and Belarus. Maybe I should do this too. Should I? I mean, that's too stupid to run a pool on that. But if we look at this, wow, that's a lot of stuff. This reminds me of YouTube. Like I look at it and literally YouTube layout, but no. Okay. As a creator, whatever it has, it doesn't have anything. Not a single publication. Make your first public post and tell people. No, nothing. It has nothing in it, and will probably not get anything soon. Notifications. What's this? Yeah, welcome in. I mean, like it literally has nothing in it, and probably will not get anything. Like the fact that I need to fire up a VPN just to get here. Not visible to my fans. Creators recommending me to their fans. No one. Recommendations for your fans. don't know. Like again, I don't have anyone on Patreon because they all have moved out to Boosty. And people I do know, I don't remember their Patreons. Anyway, I can't even access a website which it will still be available. Patreon explicitly says in their terms of service or something like that they will still continue supporting creators from Russia and Belarus, but there is actually no way to get money out of it. And it's not easy to access without a VPN. So that's why creators are normally moving out of it. Promotions. What is this? New tools to grow my Patreon. I don't need to grow it. It just exists. Yeah. I mean, maybe I should think about it. Like if we actually go through my socials, how many of those am I using? GitHub, yeah. Website, yeah. itch.io, yeah. Codium. I mean, I do use it, which I should probably log in Vim and in that. Oh, that doesn't have Codium, obviously. Speedrun.com, yeah, sure. Printable.com. Twitch, yeah. YouTube, yeah. Second YouTube channel. Telegram, yeah. Discord, yeah. Reddit. Reddit is nothing. I created a Reddit, but yeah, it just exists. It literally just exists. And it's empty. Twitter. This doesn't even exist anymore. Twitter doesn't even exist anymore. I've deleted it. I've nuked my Twitter account. Now we are not using Twitter anymore, we are using Linter. Okay, just kidding. That's a joke. But yeah, I've nuked my Twitter account and I actually wonder if it's... Yeah, it's not... It does not exist anymore. But I've got a Linter account. Again, just as a joke. So yeah, I should probably remove it from here. And yeah, Patreon, I don't use it. Stream Elements. I mean, I kinda moved out of Stream Elements. Their bot is still in my chat, so I can have comments like follow H and also the ad has started, I don't know. So I can have comments like follow H and I can see the stats. Should probably remove Twitter from here. And probably rename the section to vlogging or something. Okay, let's actually do this because I can't do work right now. GitHub, I don't even know where this is. Should probably update this GitHub repository. Yeah, dubious ownership, sure. Affiliate update. Push. Rejected what? Remote contains work. Oh wait, I need to pull before. Rebase. That's what I want. Git push. I don't even know what I did there. And that's not a website, by the way. I think I have a directory specifically for this. Yeah. Where is it? Obviously it's here. Oh, I don't even know what to edit. src, socials, indexmd, I guess. Okay, this is more like live logging. It's not even logging, just live. Twitter is gone. Do I add linter here just as a joke? I don't think I need it. Support triple dot Patreon. I don't know if how yeah, if I'll keep it Yeah, like actually, what would I post on stuff like Patreon? I have Twitch to stream, YouTube to upload videos and also stream. Subscribe, what is it? Ooh, automatic link to Twitch. That's interesting. So can you get me to the profile? I mean the stats. I want to do to see stats. Stats. Yes, this is it. Yes, like yeah, I have Discord, I have Telegram, I have Twitch and YouTube, and I don't know why would I use Patreon, to be honest. I have some mail. Run failed. What do you mean? What do you mean run failed? It should not fail. It should be fine. It actually failed. Hold on. Oh wait, I didn't even. Oh wait, what run? Excuse me. I didn't even push. How can a run fail? GitHub pages. I've removed GitHub pages from this repository. It's now on a different repository. Because this one is umbrella repository. Okay. How can I see the stats? My leaderboard. It's actually something interesting. Why is this? Wait, no, not this. This is a website. Here, this repository. Oh, VPN is slow. I need to disable it. Okay, Netherlands. Actually, wonder how leaderboard looks. Oh yeah, those are points. Which time? Why is it empty? Send your lurk message. So you're coming back and looking at the chat, and you see like lurk something in here. uh, okay, so why is it GitHub pages still? Yeah, did you fly to Colombia again? Yes. I'm trying to make this community meme. No. So why is it GitHub pages? I've deleted GitHub pages from this. Why is it here? No. So yeah, I unpublished nothing. Yeah, it's not a thing. Why is it still? Why is it org mode? Why would they think it's org mode? I have a normal static site generator, which uses Markdown and HTML first actually. GitHub pages. Failing after 20 seconds. Why is it failing? Jkill. Come on, I've removed GitHub pages from this repository. Why are you... What? Like, my website moved to an umbrella repository. Why is this deploying from a branch? GitHub Actions. No, that's MD file. That's Markdown. That's just Markdown. What? It's not an org file. Which maybe I should look into org mode. And then I'll integrate it into my static site generator, because like actually my static site generator will benefit from more formats. But yeah, I don't know. I've unpublished my GitHub pages. Why is it still here? Yeah, infinitecolor.org. Oh, that's just it says indexmd. That's a directory name. Ah. Oh my god. This is just so funny for me. Yeah, actual repository is infinitecolor GitHub.io because umbrella. Because then I will be able to do infinitecolor.org repository name like reject snake, and it will just work with GitHub pages. Anyway, yeah. I have a static site generator which I need to run, which I haven't installed, by the way. And I have actually have two of them. Git cargo install. Do I do release? No, I passed that. Already exists. Oh wait, what? Or stati. Oh, it works. Or stati. How do I do it? I don't remember. I guess here. Oh, I have a config.toml. Default markdown templates, templates markdown. Wait, why is there a default markdown template? There are no templates here. Oh wait, there is one. Restore config toml. Git add link paste. Come back. Okay, so there is a template which uses title. Okay. So we modified it now. It's static build. There is no run. There is no like web server integrated, but it's no Twitter, better Twitter RIP. Sorry, I've deleted my Twitter account. Now it should just GitHub pages me. And yeah, I don't have automatic builds set up with GitHub pages, even though I have a thing, a GitHub workflow to publish it, because custom directory where HTML is located. I don't have static site generator in it because I want to manually generate my site. Okay, messaging stuff. Yeah, I guess this is it. Reddit, I don't know, like, what would I post on Reddit? Why do I need a Reddit? So, yeah, I have a Reddit. But do I need it? Do I actually need it? I don't know why I made it. Same thing for Patreon. And yeah, Stream Elements leaderboards are not available, but there should be stats somewhere. Other chat stats here. See, it's stats streamelements.com/c/. Okay, top Twitch modes. Lul 146, Kappa 53, Colon D31, Turbo Fimsh 19. Oh, that's nice. That's cool. Smile 11. Devninia high 10. Where's my high? So many emotes were used. Oh, wow. Top chatters. Obviously me. Bots. I'm not a bot. Ian. Why Ian? No, it's... I don't know what bots means. But I guess, yeah. Ian is still top chatter. Nigel, your force. Devnini is 5th. Friend of Sigma is still here. Jax haven't passed him. Stream Elements is even here. What? What does Stream Elements do? What is Stream Elements doing here? And yeah, top 7 TV emotes stare. Top commands plushy, distro, orco, pick, sh, clear. Yeah, before orco there was sh. BTTV emotes, Arduino, yeah. One time I used it. This is actually a BTTV emote. I actually made it. Uploaded it to BTTV. Don't know why. What I did. Yeah, that's Jack's emote. Yeah, I like the fact that Infinite Turbo Fimsh is 4th. But can we please get it to 3rd place? Get it into top 3? Or would be even nicer if it was top 1? Yeah. Chat stats. That's like one of the only reasons I left Stream Elements. And yeah. Nigel, what's your opinion on Reddit and Patreon? Why are they useful? Okay, let's get it to the first place. I don't think it's gonna update it quickly. But yeah. What's your opinion on Patreon and Stream? I mean, and Reddit? Like, I don't know. Do I really need a Reddit? I actually don't know what Reddit is for. Recent streamer bot. I'm not even in this Reddit. Come on. I'm not even join it. r/compilers. 20,000 members. 11 offline. I mean online. How? How is that? How do you manage complexity? Good question. What does this mean? Oh, how? How I wanted the front-end AST to map to backend. Doing some mappings of specific examples and spreadsheet. Kanban board. How do you self-organize and keep going on a solo PL dev project? I mean, I have this README file, which has a roadmap, and my code is pretty understandable to me, even if I come to it after like a week. That's the longest I haven't done compiler development. Probably. Personal project is to just put to-dos anywhere that needs them and just pick one that sounds fun. That's not how it works, unfortunately. But I mean, I have a roadmap, which makes sense. You get ready to work. A more certain version of this is to have a big comment listing out your steps and what's done needs doing in your main program file, or a to-do.txt roadmap MD. Oh, yeah, that's literally what we have. For personal projects, it comes down to follow your first instinct, because that's the one that will be the lowest friction for you to get stuff done. Like to have major milestones in the main and to-dos for more specific subtasks. Two developers in our small startup. So this is a team of developers. This is not one developer. A Gmail CRM extension to first use instead of Jira. It's very light when it resembles Trello but works inside Gmail. How do you put stuff inside Gmail? Excuse me. Maybe it will be useful for your case too if you use Gmail. More of an advanced tool how to use Trello, then here's our Trello. More of an advice on how to use Trello, then here's our Trello. So then we first answered one regarding the use of Kanban. So many people found it inappropriate and are now adding dislikes for my comments, but none did prove a better answer. Corrected typos is completely off topic. It's not. But yeah, we went off topic actually. We went off topic. Reddit is too general purpose. You can't say anything about it. Patreon is better for people on platforms like YouTube. They didn't have a paid subscription format until recently. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I'll keep Patreon, and I don't know what Reddit is for really. Like I don't use it. I've already got rid of X. I mean Twitter. RIP Twitter, long live, whatever. Yeah. Also, I have some generic stuff. What is this? If you want, go and post it. Patreon might have some nice ideas in the future for it. I mean, I can recreate it. And the problem is I can't even visit it. Okay, what is this? Vine. Okay. Timestamp 11. Should I really watch it? Is it safe to watch on stream? I don't think it's safe. Yes. Okay, fine. Why should it be posted? on Reddit. I opened Reddit only to see if anything changed, and of course it didn't.
Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
No, it's not getting posted on Reddit. I hope I won't open a link like that anytime in the future from my chat. Please. Notes, all those streams are getting backed up on YouTube. Which actually right now. See, it's a classical meme. It's not. I mean, I don't understand today's people. Partially. Anyway. So yeah, I don't know what Reddit is really for. I mean, like, I guess you just post stuff, ask stuff, and people answer it, so kinda like Stack Overflow, but more free-form. First-class support platforms. If you're having problem with some software, first ask on Reddit, then maybe Discord, and then finally go like a GitHub issue. Reddit just for posting. Maybe Discord. So I mean, actually, well, makes sense actually. I should probably ask stuff on Reddit more often instead of actually going like straight to GitHub issues. Let's see, Gimple over LVMIR for C++ code analysis. What is Gimple? A little bit of Discord, a little bit of Stack Overflow, and a little bit of Twitter. I still, like, I actually don't even understand what a Twitter is to this day, so I got rid of it. Like, there are tweets, okay, posts, like, just, you can just post something. And this is text only, basically. This is text oriented. But then you can add photos to this. But then there are retweets, and, like, when you get to retweets, I don't understand what retweets is. What retweets are? You mean X? Your opinion on things. 7 online. Did this go down or up? I mean, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it's not a Reddit stream. So yeah. Upgraded this. Updated it. See, I need to think of spam issue because it's actually an issue, and I can't get a solution on stream just because it involves me thinking a lot about it, and it doesn't involve any, like, I can't even tell I can't even say out loud my thought process. So there's communities like r/unix porn. I know, yeah, I know what r/unix porn is. I actually tried to post there, but they said not enough karma, and then I didn't post on Reddit, and then I stopped posting on Reddit. Reddit r/unix. Hyperland, yeah, like most of Unix porn is just Hyperland. They deleted my post because I don't have enough karma. Like, actually, what do I have here? That's so rude. This is like the same problem Stack Overflow has. I can't look at this for too long. Then I'll decide to redo my entire KDE config or install Hyperland even more. See, I actually did post on Reddit once. I posted a solution to a problem I found for getting Codium running on NixOS. And I mean, this is a very simple solution, but it still helps some people. Yeah, just Reddit. But I don't I open it. I open it in Google search if I search for something. I just that's how I use Reddit mostly. Reddit is good for. So yeah, just in case we have a subreddit now, or whatever, r/infinitecoder. Unix socks. Migrated to Lemmy. Oh, what? Danny, did you just resend this link again? The timestamp is still 11 for n. Yeah, you did just resend this link with the same timestamp. So yeah, I heard of Reddit drama actually from Phoenix SC. Let's actually see. Did I type it correctly? Probably no. Obviously no, I missed a key. Community was found. Early feature. Lemmy community. Okay, what is Lemmy? Oh yeah. Primarily featured in Lemmy community on screen. Yeah, long live whatever Apollo Reddit something application. What was it? RIP, RIL? I don't even remember. Fediverse alternative to Reddit? What is Fediverse? I'm not even sure if I should read this. Yeah, anyway, this was a big distraction. And I guess we're ending early. Some decentralized stuff. I guess we're ending early because, I mean, I can't continue doing spend stuff. And while I'm in this branch, I probably shouldn't do anything else on other branches. And I mean, I have a lot of stuff to do. Could do some overlay stuff. But I mean, that's an Orco stream. Or at least it was meant to be. Yeah, we need a hype train mode. A hype mode. They just write hype, all caps, in red blue gradient. No, I don't. Like, I've hit a problem. I can't just get rid of spans. That's basically the problem. Like, I can't explain that much. And I can't really find a solution on stream. That's why I'm not coding. That's why I guess we're ending now. And yeah, I do need to draw a lot of stuff for Twitch also. Your CI is failing. Okay, what? Test coverage. I'm not writing any tests because I'm bad at it. You know, like my test coverage is like 0%. Code quality. No, not 0. I mean, it's not 0, but it's 10 or so. Yeah, you have a coverage, a test coverage issue. I don't think I can really help you with that. Like, I don't even know what else would you test here. Like, you're testing pretty much all your parser. State-based infix prefix algo similar to the one encoder video. Are you kidding me? It's not related. That's the thing. It's a different algorithm. And I recommend using recursive descent parsers for any programming language, except like if it's just declarative. I mean, the approach from one encoder may be useful for functional languages, like the ones that pretty much mess. But I still think recursive descent is better. Is always a single expression. Yeah, I understand it. Yeah, and yeah, there are parser combinators, but still. Parser combinators for expressions with precedence. Yeah. You got an idea what Nigel listen. Okay, so anyway, we're probably ending. It starts in 45 seconds. Snooze. Go away it. Okay, so you're reinventing you're reinventing the Mu language or whatever this language was called. Or I mean whatever or cow language, I don't know. Like there are languages like that with a few yeah, brain I can't say this word on stream. It doesn't count. But actually it's not 4 tokens, it's plus minus angular brackets dot and comma. It's whole 6 tokens. And I mean you can probably get rid of there are also square brackets. There's and I use Arch, by the way, language that transpiles okay, I guess I'm ending because I can't really do much more. Here. Hopefully I'll stream tomorrow as well. Now with a solution to this problem. Okay, very nice to make a program that takes any 4 tokens and makes it transpile. The problem, okay, if you really want to try to understand it, so we have a huge code base with a lot of stuff here. Main thing is Orco IR, intermediate representation. If we take a look at, here's an expression which is like the heart of it. We don't have statements because statements are expressions. That's yeah, that's something. And so we have, for example, a function. A function has this field called span, which means the span of the whole function in the source code. And I want to remove it. I want to remove spans from the IR and move them into metadata, which is basically metadata. The IR is common for all languages, but metadata is local per language. So C will have its own metadata structures. For example, Rust will have its own. And yeah, I would like to move spans into metadata, but here we have, for example, a big function. I mean, not for example, here we have a big function. Or, oh wait, I deleted it, hold on. Here we have, come on. Okay, yeah, here it is. Here we have a big function which returns span of an expression. And the problem with it is, do this. Actually, save. So the problem with it is if we go to a block, for example, this function is useful. I can't just get rid of span field and move it into metadata somehow, because for example, block on the finishing on the checking phase, it has it generates an unreachable warning, for example, for unreachable code, which pretty much requires us to have spans of expressions, because block here's Here is a code block. We have expr1, expr2, return expr3, for example. So it should have a span. Yeah, that's the whole point. Like when we encounter return, everything else, everything after this is unreachable. And so we want to generate a warning based on this. And the warning will contain a span of this unreachable segment. Except that we don't want to store spans inside IR. Like the ideal solution would be to somehow store spans of each expression inside of the metadata and let metadata fill in the spans for the unused expressions, but this looks ugly. This is the problem. This is just a, I mean, not simple design problem. And where is the problem? Like, look, we are getting rid of spans. Let me show you the problem. Literally show you the compilation error. We're getting rid of spans. If we want to get rid of spans and move them into the metadata, so it's language local to the language, and they might not exist in case the IR is generated. We have to get rid of this function, which returns the span of the whole expression. If we do this, we can't really do anything here. Like, here is the block, here's finish and check types. Okay, if condition is, so if this expression is unreachable, we need to extend the unreachable span, but how if we don't know the span of the expression? Like, yeah, that's a problem. There are multiple it's just like right now they are not, but it's just annoying that everything has span, but not everything. Some things don't have spans, and spans are just annoying to deal with. Especially annoying. Yeah, you wouldn't. I mean, maybe. S option. Yeah, options is a one solution, but it needs. I need to take time to think about all possible problems with it. So, like, especially annoying if you have if you are generating the IR. If you don't have a text source code and you're generating the IR from the code, you don't have spans. Where are you gonna get them from? Or if there is a part like a return type. Another example, if we open simple, simple, a return type. So I'll have a function time x. I don't have spans. Okay, so here's the function. It has a return type, which is unit, but it doesn't have this arrow. So the return type is implicit. It doesn't have a span. And if the code is generated, it does not have a span. If this is a macro, imagine this is a macro. What it's gonna return? It's gonna return let mute function. Yeah, also a file, but doesn't really matter. So we have a function equals function u. This is literally interfacing with an IR, and then we're gonna do function dot body equals expression u. I mean, yeah, but still here I create a function, I return the function. I can just use the Rust syntax. Evaluated code. What do you mean? What do you mean by evaluated code? Like, here is an example. This is the macro. So now we can do comp time x equals macro call, and this is x is now a function which has a body that is an expression, and expression should probably be like add evaluated code doesn't have a file. I mean, we can say that it's a buffer. But no, like you can't just say the span that don't have files. Then look, for example, here is an error. If it only had span, I would not be able to click on this link and go here. Like spans are useful for diagnostics, and spans have to have a file name. But I mean, that doesn't matter. Spans can have like spans can have like a file that is not really a file actually. This is how normally languages do this. So if I open Python repo, if I do ex here, file stdin, see, you know it since the diagnostics are related to one file. No, they are not. This is a problem. They are not. This is also a big problem, but this is also a big problem, but no, that's different problem. This problem is much simpler to fix. Like, imagine this macro was in another file, and now I import it, use file macro, and then I use it here, but I pass a wrong parameter to it. I pass 0, and it doesn't expect arguments, and so I want to see this span, because here's the error, invalid arguments. And this span, here's where those arguments are defined, what arguments should be, in another file. Yeah, but this is not the problem. This is not the problem that we are worried right now about. Like, the problem right now is that we want to move out spans out of this. And call is done in which file? In another file. We have two files. Mod rs, since you need to expand the existing IST. Okay, we have a mod rs, a comp time macro equals something. Then we have simple rs comp. I mean, this is not Rust, sure, but yeah, okay, let's do Oracle. Just it's not Rust. Oracle. Comp time x equals macro. Like, here is where you call a macro from another file, or mod call macro, and you pass in an argument of another type. It would display this span as here is an argument. It has invalid type, and here is where the function was defined. That's why we expect this type. But anyway, this is not the problem. The problem is if we have a block, if I literally put return here, like, look what happens, comeback span. Let's not waste our time on the fact that spans have to have buffers, especially complicated when macros come in. Okay. And language interoperability and macros from other languages. Yeah, spans here. Okay, now it should compile, and it should output the error. Nope, it does not. Come on, didn't I delete the metadata? Oh yeah, of course I deleted it, but didn't do it here. Okay, so look, the actual problem. Oh wow. That's interesting. But yeah. Oh, we've got an error. Oh, look, by the way. Actually, call argument type count mismatch. Yeah, here it would ideally it would display me the span, but still that's another error. Let me just fix the code so it works. Okay, let's compile it now. Now it runs. Look at the warning. Potential bugs, unreachable code. Potential bugs. So look, this code is unreachable. The only span is 0. If I just add another line here, so it's more visible. No, you're doing great, Nigel. This is hard to understand because I'm terrible at explaining stuff. Okay, so look, here is the warning. This code is unreachable. This is the span, basically. Those two lines are spanned. And the problem is, if I want to move out the spans, I need some way of getting this span still. So like if I want what, like the goal of the branch we created today is to move out spans, to remove those spans, because again, we can have a macro that generates code, and we don't want to fill the spans because they don't exist. If the code is generated, there are no spans, and spans should probably be, oh come on. It's probably the end of the stream. Why would you change the editor to VS Code? Okay, fine. VS C plus JS. VS Code plus gap style. Or Visual Studio Code plus gap style. It is by default already. Okay, so look, fine. Ooh, this is slow. Let it load. That's where all skipped frames come in. Let's just analyzer load. Okay, so Nigel, did you try that, by the way? Okay, so macro. Here is a macro, which is just a function that returns a code. Create a. Oh, it's not on void. You can do cargo install, right? Can't you? You can just cargo install it. Function equals function new returns function, and this returns a function, some arbitrary function. Your laptop will burn out. My laptop didn't. I mean, I didn't compile it from scratch. But I mean, I think I tried to compile Cosmic Desktop, it didn't burn out, so worth trying. I mean, can't you set it overnight? Well, actually, maybe you can't, because I like to put stuff overnight. Nix upgrading overnight. Soon I won't be able to do. Anyway, function args. Okay, no, that args doesn't matter. Expression, or like actually body. Body. Stop on void and on arch. It failed both times. Well, I'm glad Nix. I'm glad everything works on Nix. Expression. Okay, let's just do constant int for sure. And function return type, which actually signature return type equals type int for something like that. So here's, for example, a macro that generates codes, generates IR. Look, no spans are here. I don't want to be like span new dummy span. I don't want to be doing this because this will be a pain, and spans don't exist here anyway. And so if I like apply the macro somewhere, well, to let, wait, not like comp time function equals macro No, it's functioning. Okay, fine. Default. I mean, this is OR because there are no defaults. So here's function. We executed the macro which returned a function. Okay. Now we call this function, and I mean, it doesn't really matter that we call it. Note that we can also pass arguments, and this will also generate an error which will only have span of this segment because there is no span here. And this is just fine. This is just what we want. Exactly what we want. So it will only report one label, not two. Yeah. So this is one of the reasons why we want to move out spans. Here's what happens when we actually move them out. We don't get the spans of expressions. So this expression, we don't know the span of it. And so we like how it's done right now. Everything after an expression that returns a never type is considered unreachable, and so every span here is concatenated, combined, and the warning just reports this whole span. Yeah, an option is one of the reasons. Option is, reasons, one of the solutions. But still, we have metadata and stuff like that. And calculates spans for generated AST. Like one problem of options, for example, if you go to types, this is a pain with spans. So here is a type enum, and Rust enum is exactly where the option variant falls flat, whatever. So I want to span everything here. I want to add an option to every single variant that will hold a span. Isn't this painful? Especially considering that this is an enum. And I'll need to pass, and when I create an integer type, I'll need to pass none here, just so I can construct type. Isn't this annoying? And I still have to pass metadata to everywhere because customization of error messages and stuff like that. Make another enum. You mean like what? You want struct type and enum e-type and do something like this? Arhash type e-type span option of span. Is this what you want me to do? Is this what you want me to do? Well, basically, yeah, same thing. I mean, yeah, but I don't care if I have to rewrite the whole thing again. It's not the problem. Like rewriting the whole thing is not the problem. The problem is getting the design just right so it works, so it's nice. Then do it on stream. The problem is that I don't know what I choose. What do I do? Sorry. Like I don't know. Like I will be rewriting it anyway on stream. It was the same thing when I was doing the first class functions. I stopped streaming early at some point because I didn't know how to implement them. I thought about it and I fired the stream next day. I did implement stuff that I thought about. Like I can't have my I can't design on stream stuff like that. New distraction segment. So you can brainstorm optimal solution. Okay, I'm sitting silent. That's how I brainstorm normally. And 20 minutes is not enough. Like actually. And anyways, there is a stream pressure. Like I still, actually I still have to end early, but probably not that early. It's 5 p.m. Yeah, I can stream for a few more hours. My schedule allows this. But yeah, like it's still annoying to put spans everywhere. Like look, we have in almost every expression. You know that you can't when someone's watching you. So yeah, if we go to expression, to any expression, for example, function expression. There is. Anyway, so here's the function, for example. It has a span and it has metadata, which is necessary, which can be a tuple struct, which is the default. It's like the tuple struct, I mean like the unit type. So the unit metadata can be the unit. Is the default way of providing metadata without any customization, without any proper error messages. So basically this metadata contains a whole new AST. And I thought, why not move spans into it? Because it makes sense, kinda. Back from nowhere. Welcome back. What if you had spans in both places, but only functions that require a span? What? What if you had spans in both places, but only the functions that require a span report decide which one to use? What do you mean? Isn't it even worse to have them in both places? Like, I mean, I can move spans into metadata, but I don't want to have a function in the metadata, like function fn get span that returns an option of a span. I mean, I can have this, but I don't want to for every single span. Then it's definitely better doing options. But at the same time, like, what did I want to say? At the same time, like, I can't put options everywhere. That's like one of the reasons. If you actually go to readme, there is segment about span here. Add span fields into structs instead of using span of struct. Span is a struct that it's basically a wrapper. It was made mainly for enums, to wrap enums, because yeah. So just so I have something like easy way to get spans on enums without like yeah. Like I still miss the like I miss I want enums to have fields. Yeah, like I want Rust enums to have fields. To be able to have fields that persist alongside the enum itself, the enum variants. They do. No, I mean like the some variants and then fields that are not unique to a specific variant, but just go alongside. And I mean, yeah, this is kind of wrong, but this would be so useful. You can wrap the type, yeah, but that's annoying. In some cases, this can be very annoying. But that's basically why spend is there. And it's annoying, that's why I recommend adding spend span into structs instead of using the wrapper. You're making things up. But I mean, for some reason, for me it's annoying. Sometimes. I can't just say why or when, but I just remember it being annoying so many times. Anyways, not a solution. No, TypeScript is not a proper language. It's not even compiled. No, I'm not gonna use it. Never. No. Java hate? I love Java, what do you mean? But at the same time, Java doesn't make you have to create new types again and again. You don't have to have 9 levels of inheritance in Java. I don't know, for some reason people just do this. But no, you don't have to, you don't need to. Anyway, we're in Rust, and the one thing that I don't want to do is rewrite the whole compiler in another language for no reasons. For no reason. Take express tearing mem take take. There's take hijacks renders. Welcome back. No, you don't understand, it's another account. Look. Probably both. Sorry. Mem take. Yeah, let's just try in the morning. Looks really cool. What does jealous mean? I forgot. Can I actually do define rate your art? Yeah, Nigel, stream to achieve affiliate. Cupidity, what is this word? I want the dictionary to define a word, and it uses even more complex words. This is in KD you can in KRunner you can do define, and it's just gonna do some dictionary. I don't know what this dictionary is, but yeah. Define. Suspicious or unduly suspicious or fearful of being displaced by a rival. What? Oh, I think I know what this means. Yeah. I mean, maybe someday you'll get a gifted sub. I don't have the money to give subs now. I actually kind of wish to give some, to gift some. Anyway, we can try making spends optional. Might buy some. Okay. We can try making spends optional. And why am I here? I want to go to module. Mod rs expression. Okay, let's actually try. Finish and check types span. What? Jax builds me option. Also, I think like oh, I feel like I forgot something about spans. Jax builds recommends you to put the link here. Oh wait, replies. Hold on. Okay, I guess we're not ending the stream today. I guess you did this. You did it. I mean, today we are doing the streams, and not for some reason because my chat is not here. My chat is not good enough, and yeah, we saw this reply just yeah. I was just waiting for you to paste the link. And by the way, did you get the website? Artstation.com, a subdomain. Verify. Yeah. What is this HTML? Did it load? Okay, so I guess yeah. I think I saw two of them. I didn't see the guitar one. How do I open image in new tab?
Okay, let's go.
Is this a good quality image? I mean, it's just a preview. Oh. Oh, I mean I can just click a link. Okay, that's a better quality. Without materials. This is too big for my screen. Oh, videos. Okay. Where is it? Where am I? Okay, so here is the guitar with a label, and Ed has started obviously. CSS and JS didn't download. Yeah, I mean JS did, CSS didn't. Okay, so this actually looks good. Even the fact that texture changes here, it's what's it called? Okay, where's the video? Open in Firefox. In real browser. This is Firefox fork. What do you mean? I'm gonna open it in Chromium. Okay. Two Firefox instances my laptop is just not gonna handle. Chromium actually works better. I found it. Oh, so yeah, this is much different. This is different. This is just different. Wonder why that's so low. I wonder why the strings are different colors. Like you have golden like one, the KD is and Firefox and Chromium together all the time. Yeah, KD is no, it is relatively heavy. So yeah, why are springs on one side yellowish and on the other side like normal metallic color? Oh, we can see it legs. 11 I can't even talk. 11 out of 10. How guitar strings are. Where to buy? Jax, is your video card actually here? Ooh, so this is how it was supposed to look. Like, Why there is no video card render on this page? Yeah, a gun, the lost gun. Who lost it? Low poly, high poly. Triangle counts. And rendering some foggy environment. Ooh. Nine percent rating stuff. Can I just, what happens if I click here? Ooh, the X. Normal maps and just maps. Instagram, ooh, we'll visit it. You can see the print here. Like it's not that noticeable here, but this is like the burnt part. I like it actually looks like it was burnt in. And I mean it was baked. Okay, pan didn't work. It's all here, I guess. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I almost tapped on something else. Here. Show resume. Oh, I thought it was resume. Resume. Yeah, I mean, you can visit it yourself. CG artist. Yeah. CG artist use Blender, Maya, and many other softwares to create 3D, great 3D models, and always try to achieve photorealism skills. Sorry for the quality of the page. I can't afford Chromium. Yeah, the video card. uh, JTX 4090. Unlock the power of limitless gaming. 1 terabyte of VRAM. 1 trillion CPU cores. I mean GPU core. What's wrong with me? You can see the imprint. 3 HDMI ports. Available on Imagination. Yeah, this is just. And you can see more renders. This is actually something I would buy if I had money. How much costs? Yeah. All links are here. Probably I should just put those here. Just in case someone watches the vote. Like ideally I would have duplicate shots, but no. and all run on 1 hertz. I mean, that's how GPUs basically are, over exaggerated, but yeah. $10. 1 terabyte of VRAM. I don't have that much disk space. I have 500 gigabytes on this laptop. Yeah, anyway, we should probably do spans here. Wait, what? Clone span. This is this one is off. Some of this, except that the function is gonna have. Actually no. Okay, so it is fine. Other renders on Instagram in Instagram. Yeah. What's this? Is it an actual render or is it real? I mean, probably not real. We saw the guitar. Using Nuke for the first time. Wait, there is... Oh. Can I make it quieter? Hold on. How do I make stuff quieter in Instagram? Hold on, let me just... Yeah, what's next? What's this? Current trouble, I don't even see where it is. Something greenish. Raid take after the stream. Okay, so you want me to end now? Fine. I'll end now. Take take a developer. Avatar. Still in hope. It's actually good bro. Eduardo F. Oh, Eduardo FS. Just can't read. What is this? Why is it so loud? 10%, excuse me. 10% volume. Hold on. The music can't be played. What? The music can't be played and it gives me the music. Video has no audio. What? Excuse me. Okay, I guess I'll just make it quieter here.
Yeah.
Too loud. Yeah, I see. Why? The video has no audio. It's not loud, it's zero. Zero volume. Okay, I guess I can set this. What's next? This. Just wood. Smells like a piece of wood. More videos.
And I never had someone to come on. Oh, nah, I'm so used to shit.
And it's probably crazy loud for you. Yeah. After a long time of rendering, a language called Teika. Oh, makes sense. Okay, we'll rate him. What's this? A room. I mean, it is kind of small to me, but like we actually have a room like that without windows though. But kind of like that. In our summer house. This is a fancy render in the sofa. Okay, I'm not opening it. I'm not even opening it. Sorry. It's funny. It may be funny for you. Look, feels like inside of what was it called? Funny for all of us. For all of you, yeah, sure. For all the chat. I mean, like, actually, what is it? Come inside. What is this? Want to come inside for coffee? 1 minute.
So this is my house.
Yeah, it's
Don't have
beautiful.
audio.
So maybe I was thinking you could come up and we could.
Oh, hold on,
Have
I
a
should
couple of
probably do
drinks
this
or-
instead.
Oh, I'm actually 5 years sober.
Oh.
Yeah, alcohol doesn't agree with me at all. Like,
So maybe I was thinking you could come up and we could have a couple of drinks or.
oh, I'm actually 5 years sober.
Oh.
Yeah, alcohol doesn't agree with me at all. I get really punchy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, good on you. We could just have a couple of coffees. I have an espresso machine and.
Oh, I think coffee tastes kind of yucky.
Oh, what about like tea?
I'm not really big on hot drinks.
Well, also like my cat's upstairs. She's really cute. You'd maybe want to pat her or something like that.
I'm not really big on cats.
Oh, so you don't want to play with my pussy?
No, normally they smell with the litter and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Well, maybe I have a dog then.
Oh, I'm allergic.
Well, actually, I've been having a bit of a problem with my bed lately, and it's really like squeaky. So I was thinking you could maybe help me fix it.
I would take it back to IKEA where the professionals could probably get their high-end Allen keys to sort it out.
Okay, so I'm
Hi,
basically
Allen
just
keys.
asking you to rail me, Connor. Come upstairs and rail me.
I'm not big on trains, sorry.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I'll just do it myself.
I think you need a certification to be a conductor.
Sure.
Okay, see ya. Mixed signals, man. Don't know what. Mixed signals, man. Don't know what she fucking wanted.
No. That's not me. Yeah, this was reminding me of. I can't even say what, I don't remember. This looks kinda cool. It's not funny, it's sad. I mean, it is over exaggerated enough so that it is kinda funny, but still can't find it funny. Don't know why. How old are we? Well, you know I'm 15. Yeah. Possibly. Imagine. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna say. Fourier transform, you can code the mixed signals. No, Fourier transform doesn't work in these cases. The Fourier transform only can translate from time domain to frequency domain, but it's you know, Fourier transform doesn't just work. Too old. Too old. You're not too old. What a sheep. Multi-game shot. It's not crazy. Prodigy, no. It's not crazy. I mean, compiler development is easy. Well, if only it was easy, then I would be done. I mean, can you be done with the compiler development? With the compiler? Probably no. But at least I would be self-hosting at this point, if it was easy. Rex render. What did I just press? X? Yeah, X. So yeah, I just didn't waste the time. I didn't have fun, so I went to programming, and that's how I got so much stuff. You spent 16 hours a day for 5 years on the computer and do the stuff. Imagine you spend 16 hours a day for 5 years on the computer and do this stuff. Would you still find it hard?
Okay,
Well,
let's go.
that's basically what I'm doing. That's basically what I'm doing. But still, I mean, no, the compiler is not 15, is not 5 years old, but I didn't have a life when I was 15. I had a life when I was 10. But it ended soon. Please, like, it's funny how my programming, can I even say career? How I started programming 1 year before my life ended. Well, by life ended, I don't mean the life ended. I mean, I stopped having a life. Um, what do you mean by having a life? I mean, good question. I'm not gonna explain what I mean. But basically, you say that when you was like, if I say I was 10 when I was 10 I had a life, it means, yeah, basically. Uh, why did I read this as meat, like meat, like meat? Okay, I should probably stop watching all clients streams. I mean, not stop. To meet friends willingly that aren't your classmates or colleges. Okay, so yeah, maybe we should make this optional, but first we need to compile. I mean, maybe we're trying now, but first we need to fix all those things. All those things. Body span. Yeah, here. See the problems. See the problems. Here they are. There they are. Beating the meat. Oh, labels can be optional. Actually, which is nice. Oh, I forgot what pepkak is. PEBC, PEBKC. We only trade in souls. Oh, and I forgot what this acronym means. Can I define it? Define. No, I can't define acronyms. Owning -1. Okay, so we can go back. Oh, this is the thing. Yeah, Miet. Now Miet gets in the way with its sources not being attached to spans. Loans. Watching. What? Stream continuing? Good question. Maybe for a little bit. Maybe no. I don't know. Like, here's another problem. I can make those like Miet. Miet is so Miet is a statically typed reporting framework basically. So you can define reports like that. What? Mute my smartphone. It is muted. What do you mean? What? What can you hear? I wonder what can you hear? Echo? What? I mean, I'm not listening to the stream. Double voice. I don't know. Maybe it's just me? When you yell at us. Okay, let's see if I yell at you. Is there echo? Should not be here. Like, I'm not listening to my own stream. Do I really want to trade a soul? Do I have one left? Do I have a soul? Didn't I trade it before? This reminds me of a moment from Jake Creates Stuff. From his stream, a clip where Badcop trolled him They were playing Minecraft for charity, or whatever this word is pronounced. Yeah, so here's the problem. Yet, an awesome library for diagnostics, I can make those labels optional. Need a job, don't want to do Python and JS. So true. So true. But yeah. I also need a job. I mean, not like need, but I would like to end all the freelance I see, web development, or like, what is it? Collaborate on a Unity project for a year, a contract for a year. Yeah, not all of us can just sit and do it. Not all of us can just sit and do it when we don't want to. So here's the problem. I can make spans in Miet optional, but the source code, it's not encoded in spans. That's the problem. That's the real problem. If only I could fork Miet for this one thing. No. What no? Okay, I actually forgot what this means. Problem exists between keyboard and chair. I was like trying, problem is between monitor and chair, something like this. This is what I was remembering. Freelance here. I tried doing freelance one task and then some, not really through freelance, but basically the same. It's just hard to find tasks for me. Like when I actually do, it happens really rarely. Normally tasks find me, jobs find me. Yeah, I just do it. So yeah, we can't really move out named source. I don't even know what to do with it. I mean, ideally, there would be a Miet fork for all of this. You're creating a website for a client. And create JS library. Who cares? Like, this is the thing, who cares? Like, I mean, it depends. A security risk? Only jQuery is good, so true. Exactly. Only jQuery is good. jQuery is what you use. But I mean, like, if there appears a security risk, like, I mean, that's library's fault, right? If you need like a developer to consider which library is more trustworthy, then you need a professional and not a freelancer. So when you get hired on freelance, it's probably not get that capitalism in your head. Like, yeah. Okay, me yet. Do we have any forks? Maiden me yet. This is a fork. Then there are vulnerabilities in my repositories. I mean, yeah, this is the thing, but I mean, like, vulnerabilities are everywhere in JavaScript. Okay, Miet, Maiden Miet. Is it any different? About 10 hours ago. Ooh. This is a modified version of Miet with no STD support. That's not the fork we're looking for. No, it's not. target spec. Нет. What is target spec? Why would you say that? You know what Lisp is. This immediately makes you smart. Smarter than me at least. Integrate target spec. What is target spec? I actually wonder. Cargo TOML target specification. Oh, that's boring. JS library. Okay, so this is not what we need. Meet helper. Helper macros. Nothing wrong with it. Wrap error. Yeah. Critical severity. There's nothing wrong. Like actually, I've used Sneak, which is free, not advertised. I would not advertise the service. And I mean, I've used this thing. Imported some GitHub repositories. It reported me some critical errors that are not exploitable. Which are basically like, you have this dependency in your Docker container, it's gonna explode now. Mern stack most of the time. What is Mern stack? Okay, Sin Miyet, Sin error wrapper that provides pretty diagnostic messages using Miyet. Oh, this is actually nice. Nice to know that exists. Another DL, oh wait, KDL language implementation. Midden Miyet derive. Miyet derive. Pevex Miyet. A custom Miyet theme for Pevex errors. What is it? What is this? Okay, let's Google, I guess. Miyet. Wait, actually, I can go to GitHub and search for forks. Just go here. Forks. Fork. Can I view forks? I don't want to create a fork. Forks. I want to see forks. Baseboard co. Package also has a GitHub repo. I mean, almost everything has a GitHub repo. Everything in Rust has a GitHub repo. What is this? MySQL2 for node arbitrary code injection critical. The vulnerability detected in package log.json. Remote code execution critical. Yeah, but like, I mean, yeah. If we just, again, like, if we visit this, no, this, and then also roll back like a few weeks ago, 8 hours ago. What? Petcops, what are you doing here? Took 6 hours. But that's okay, we had fun. Caching, give road by IT. I'm trying to remember where was it. Oops. Oh, use ID everywhere. Yes, this is probably it. Yeah, here. Okay, if we go here, browse files. Just as a note to security. So this is bash stack. It is basically a web server written in bash. And if we go to here, I don't even remember how I did this. To be honest. If we do new shell, wait, just new. Wait, what? I don't have new shell installed. Hold on. History at rip grep. What do we rip grep? Curl. And yeah, I know. I think I'm forgetting. Okay, I guess my curl commands are not here anymore. Okay, so if we look closely at this page, that's just a quick distraction again. How are you? So yeah, 22. Yeah. Is this actually the page? No, this is not the page. Yeah, profile. I think, yeah, profile. Where's their AW key? Here. Yeah, I remember this. Ooh. Okay, so look, this is just bash script for a page written in bash stack. First line is this. We take base name of a URL decode of a path variable. Path variables are just like profile slash. This is a path variable. Then what we do later, we put this profile variable into the AWK string. This is like in this day, Bad Cop allowed all of us, all the community, to hack her servers. After like 8 hours, I actually found a way to inject code into this. Yeah, the thing is like the fun thing with all exploits I've done to this server is those are all injections. So we can URL decode anything. So we can basically encode everything as a URL here and put it here. And yeah, base name denies us from using slashes, which is actually you can work around it, except that there are quotes, so you can't. But doesn't matter, we don't need slashes. And so interesting thing with AWK is if I echo anything into AWK, so there is a function called system. And this is like parse this h parse near. Wait, I can't. Okay, so yeah, look, AWK has a system function, and I did an injection, and I got a ref shell. It took me like 5 hours to get a ref shell into this. So yeah, this was a fun day, and actually, if we go into another repository here, okay, where is it? So just on the topic, code injection is actually something. Like nobody found this exploit before. Before Bad Cop actually said you can hack the server. I went through those repositories so many times by now. So I almost memorized them all. Okay, so if we open the phishing data, which is a backup, BashStack is different from MySQL 2. Nobody is using BashStack. First stranger, the first redeem. If you redeem first, by the way, did you redeem all of them? I think, yeah, you did. The first redeem is literally written in Bash. It's first BashStack. This is literally written in Bash. Okay, so yeah, I left a note here. This was so fun. Got a remote shell, fixed it. This was fun. Yeah, but for some reason, write their websites in Bash. Are you sure? That's just like, you should know that that there are stuff like some libraries have features that you don't want. You just know, you should know that. Like, for some reason I couldn't stop after this, and about a week later, I don't even remember where, I think in BashStack's repository, which is, oh, this is, should I really show it on stream? I mean, she knows about it. So if we go into examples, Jeopardy buzzer, which by the way, all of them are in a Docker container, which prevents me from getting a flag, but doesn't really matter. So pages, if we go into SSE rule, so here's a much more interesting exploit, which is still here, I think. I spent so much more time on it. But if you look closely, like if we go to Bash, Bash Stack's main repository, what inspired basically this me finding this exploit. Bash Stack is bash, awk, sed, and htmx. Playdate. So I've exploited awk. Bash, I mean, not really exploitable, like htmx as well. So sed is our last target. Player ID. Yeah, player ID. Yeah, player ID is a cookie. That's what we can use to inject stuff. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, how to chat properly on Twitch. Oh, this is gonna scare him. Okay, so here's the cookie we can get, and would you know if I go to downloads, if I echo, yeah, bash stack is everything in bash, but I mean it is bash. The fact that it's an acronym is just a joke or something like this. But yeah, it's using sed and awk a lot and htmx. Okay, so if we echo test into test.txt and do sed on sed-i test.txt, and we need the expression itself. So yeah, this one didn't get fixed. So yeah, we all know that we can substitute stuff like test by, and let's not mutate in place, test by test2, and slash g, or just slash here, sed, regular sed. But I thought, is it possible to inject some stuff into it so that I can write the output to an arbitrary file, just like I did with awk, but there was just an arbitrary code execution. Turns out there is. Sed is actually a programming language which has writes, so you can write to a file. I think something like this. So this sets a target file where it's gonna be written. But it doesn't end there. You can execute commands. Instead, there is E, which can execute arbitrary shell commands. I mean, this is the whole point of features you don't want. So here is a variable interpolated into set string. I successfully exploited it, but I couldn't do anything because I couldn't set up a ref shell. Because I'm dumb, I can't set up a ref shell. I even don't know that WebSocket for this. But no. I finally told Badcop about this. She didn't even fix it. But I mean, it's exploitable. And yeah. And I still, like, by this day, I still can't stop looking for exploits, especially when I know some weak points. I don't know what a ref shell is. Anything but dumb. I mean, I know that what ref shell is, but it doesn't really matter. Like, I knew what ref shell is a long time ago, but I didn't use it. Funny is that I fixed the exploit with a ref shell, the first exploit. Anyway, so one thing I would like to actually share is we have URL decode. Yeah, I have URL decode. I'm not on LinkedIn and I don't know why would I have it. Just so base name. We all know what base name does. Base name just returns a base name, so it's Basically, the point of base name is to prevent you from providing a path like a slash dot dot slash dot dot slash b. So you can't just what? You don't know what base name is, or you're not in LinkedIn. So if so, for example, in bash stack you have something like echo something into data slash and then there is base name and it's done so you can't not active on LinkedIn. So it's done so you can't do stuff like this. So this would, if there was no base name, it would redirect, it would go to like data slash a slash dot dot slash pages slash test. So you can't go up a level. This is like, that's why base name is used so heavily used in bash stack, so you can't just crack the whole thing for sanitization basically, but it's it's workaroundable if we pass in URL decode into it. And this is like completely normal for bash stack. Stream just completely changed directions right now. So I can do data %09 dot slash %09 dot dot percentage o where's %09 slash %09 dot dot. Oh, I completely forgot. Dash a %09 dash z, I think %09 here. Oh wait, it's not dash a, dash m. No? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna spoil it a little bit. It's az. It's a. Wait, I didn't I do a? Oh wait, found argument. Oh. Yeah. Dash is hold on. Python trim hex word dash percent 2d percentage 2d. Bam. Base name workaround. This is crazy. This is just a crazy one, because if we look at what URL decode does, %09 is an ASCII code for a tab. And what this does, it separates it separates them all by tabs. So here we have some arguments, and so because there are no quotes, this should be in quotes ideally. If this is in quotes, this doesn't work. So what this does is so it separates those into arguments. Tabs are like tabs and new lines here work as argument separators basically. And if you pass dash a dash z and then data slash dot dot slash dot dot. So what this is actually, dash a, yeah, base name can work on multiple paths. Dash a works on multiple paths. So if we do this, it prints data, then slash, then dot dot, then slash, then dot dot. And slash, yes, slash obviously can't be stripped out. And the interesting part, we can do dash z, and what it does is it separates those entries by null characters. If we actually echo this, yeah, echo doesn't really work here. Okay. If I do URL decode it again, oh, hold on, how was it? Okay, hold on, let me do it in bash. In actual bash. Echo, what's this? Yeah, look, this warning. Command substitution ignoring null byte in input. So, yeah, null bytes get stripped out, and we got a pass worked around base name. So yes, this is one fun thing. Unfortunately, it's not exploitable in bash stack, And there are a lot of stuff that is kind of exploitable, but I miss like one single part. For example, if I could create a directory with any name, just a directory in data folder in pretty much, well, not pretty much any, in two websites written in Bash stack. There are two websites where this exploit exists. I could create an arbitrary named directory anywhere on the server. But like there are a lot of stuff like this. But unfortunately I can't. And I still can't just stop thinking about it and looking for exploits. Because I want more. I had so much fun on the first one, except RefShell. RefShell was a pain to set up. I will never forget this. I mean, a pain. I have a simple RefShell written in Bash. I literally wrote it in Bash. The problem is I don't have a static IP. Do you report them? Yeah. I mean, like, if I actually go here. I mean, little exploits. The problem is, like, with I report. So I fixed the first exploit. I reported the second one, but Badcop was too lazy to fix it. And all those little things, like what she answered is, if it's not exploitable, I don't care. Too lazy to fix all of this. Like, if there is one tiny change that prevents from an arbitrary code execution, from remote code execution, I would not care. That's what she said. But we kinda got off track, and 6 p.m. I mean, I didn't stream for that much, but I'll probably end. Okay, so Nigel, you wanted me to rate someone. Come on, Twitch. 4 viewers. Why? Okay, so this is one developer working on Bash stack and one developer finding exploits on it. JS has million developers working on their libraries and million users, and they still have more vulnerabilities than Bash stack. Eduardo RFS. Software and game development, 8 years. Okay, let's see who this is. Not subscribed, do not follow. Have not read it in the last 30 days. Obviously, I don't know who this is. Almost there with unification. But to make sure you're at least not ending. Followers only mode. Okay, what is it? I can't see. Ocaml and V. What is test.v? Is it his language? I don't think it's his language. Is it V language actually? Proof view test V. Okay, get me out. Okay, sure, if you want me, already possible. So yeah, this was an interesting stream. We did a lot of stuff. I'll search for immediate alternatives. Search for a way. I mean, I still need a way to report errors properly. Like, I need a good way to report errors. So yeah, with stuff like overrides. Maybe I'll fork Miget myself. But yeah, Thanks everyone for sticking out. Thanks everyone for joining. Jax, Nigel, Davninia. Bye, everyone. Don't know how to end stuff. How to end the stream. Goodbye, YouTube.